Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find someone's Twitter username using email or phone number. So just tab on my Twitter account and log into my account and just go in my top left corner of settings and just tab on settings and support and just again tag to settings and privacy and a little bit scroll down to find discover ability and contacts. So just tab on it and here is the option sync address book contacts. So just turn it on. You can also access this from your phone, and after you will just log in into your Twitter account right over here, and I will just tab on it again and you will see I on my sync address book contacts. So I will just go back and tab on my search bar, and right over here I will just type an email address, and by the email of users will find. You will see there are emails by typing email and finding the name of user on Twitter. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.